Hi, my name is Layla and I work in product management, and I'm going to show you how to use a background adjustment feature. So this is a helpful feature if you have a colored original and you want to copy the content onto a plain or white paper. So first, we'll take the colored original and place it into the document feeder. And then select the Copy app. In the bottom left corner, select Others, and then select Background Adjustment. If you want to completely erase the color background, select the minus button until at -3. Then select OK and Start. Then we'll grab our output, and as you can see, the colored background from the original was completely erased, and that is how you use the background adjustment feature.